So hey everyone, welcome to the another video from Riding and Tech. So in this video, I have got something exciting for my Rexa, like Dominar 400. So we're going to unbox and install a windshield which I have purchased from Amazon for just rupees 500. Let's see how it performs and how it looks on the bike. So here is the package I received, which is very lightweight. So let's open it. Inside this we have got the windshield itself, which is nicely wrapped in plastic. It feels pretty decent for the price, like smooth edges, dark smooth finish, and it doesn't come with mounting hardware because I think it's not required for this windshield. Like we can replace it with the original one. So time to get started. Like we will install it now. So before we install the windshield, we will unscrew the old windshield and we'll clean the area with a cloth. Like here I haven't cleaned it because I was not having, so you can clean it. So now we will put the new windshield in place of the old windshield, and we will tighten the screw. So once the brackets are secure, now it's time to attach the windshield. Align the holes on the windshield with the original brackets and secure them with the bolts provided. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but do not overdo it. Like if you don't want to crack the windshield, just tighten the screw in limit only. For 500, I think it adds a nice touch to the Dominar and should help deflect some wind during those long highway rides. Well, for me, the purpose was little different. Like I just wanted to try how it looks. So for a change, it's okay for me. Like I haven't tried it for a long highway roads. I will try this time if I'm out on the road. I can definitely feel less wind hitting my chest, especially at higher speed. For the price, it's doing its job well. The fit feels secure and there is no noticeable vibration so far. So that's it for today's video. Unboxing and installing a budget windshield on Dominar 400. For this amount, I would say it's a great value upgrade, especially for anyone who spends a lot of time on highways. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this mod, or if you have installed a similar windshield on your bike. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more biking content. So ride safe and I will see you in the next one.